You ready?
Let's do it!
Wait, did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard something. Let's get him! Go!
And today.
Be as loud as I can. I'm gonna grab this one.
I hope you have fun trying.
So like paint full, so like full of paint?
No, like paintball.
They're the same.
Cool, I found the new Mega Darts.
Oh, those ones are so much better.
Wait, why is that green?
Ew, what is that stuff? Something scary or whatever, because we know he doesn't like it.
Yeah, I guess they're trying to mess with him. What?
What? Entirely way too much time on this.
He's such a nerd.
Down.
Don't do it.
Take one more step, all your smashers go down at once. Not another step.
Sorry, Coley. I've got to see this.
Wait, go. I'll buy you new ones. No.
Give me a sticker.
Okay.
Oh yeah? I'm gonna order something that'll take.
Package.
Don't come outside. Don't follow me. Stay in. These things are awesome.
He's really asking for it.
This is what we got. There he is! Over there! Come on, go get him! Over there! Oh.
I don't know where I am.
I'll do it. Hello? Hello, Mom? Mom?
I'm not careless. Oh, hurry up! I think I hear him.
Yeah. Here, I found one.
Finally.
Of course.
How do we get to the golf course?
I have no idea. Dad's like really. He's just sitting there. Wait a second. How are you here?
That means.
Dad, give me those night vision goggles right now.
Oh, no, bye, Dad.
Roll the top.
Hey guys, comment this week comes from Ronnie Robinson. Why are you guys all so crazy? The dog is Tank. He kind of looks like a tank. For a picture of Josiah and Tank. Hey, it's coming next! Check out the Extreme Toys page! Extreme Toys TV! We'll see you all next time. The camera again!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are.
Hey kids, today we found this really cool monster truck box. We got monster trucks in here.
Yeah, it's fun, okay.
Oh, buddy. Okay, so guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna have is this cool, makes something really cool, huh?
Why?
That's right. You can't see because of the sun. Goes around here. Comes around.
Oh.
Let me see.
You
Watch
ain't go
this.
home.
Eddie. Oh, he crashed. What's this guy's name? All right, who's this guy? Let's see. This is Motion. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
How do you want to?
All right, jump him. Here we go. Oh. Here we go.
He's gonna make it bigger. I'm out.
Not yet. We're getting ready. We got all this extra dirt. We gotta watch. Kids, we got the garbage truck versus the dump truck. Oh. Let's try that again. This guy goes slower. Oh.
It's fine.
That was loud that time.
What do you think it is?
I think it's a chupacabra.
What one should we use?
The chupacabra's fast. We need something that'll hit him.
Let's do it. I don't see anything.
Yeah, that's kind of weird, huh? There's nothing here.
I guess it's gone.
Good night.
Ugh.
Oh, what's going on?
There's a bat in there.
I finally caught it! It's in my... Uh-oh!
We got him! And give us a thumbs up.
Or click on our faces to subscribe.